Hey, what's up, Chad? I be running through them red lights, I don't stop at night. I got demons and they out for me, they coming for my life. I don't stop at night. It's Molly Miss. I be running through them red lights, I ain't stop at night. I got demons and they out for me.
YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Pablo Savage 392, and I'm back with one of them things that go on top of your noggin. You already know, man. We out here with the gang. We at GAPFEST. Right now, we just working. You know what I'm saying? It's hot. Your boy got on pants.
Also, too,
see that? Hold on.
For everybody participating in road racing.
Okay, that says they're just making announcements right now. But you see the drill. Make sure you order your shirt, man. Go ahead and hit that. Just write me, Pablo. I would like to order a shirt. They're $20. You get one. I send it to you. It is what it is. I appreciate the support. You know what I'm saying? But I got a special guest with me today. Y'all seen her last night. It was kind of dark. We couldn't even get the thing on camera properly. But I'm gonna let her introduce herself. What it do?
Are you ready? Okay, let's go through that too. So I'm gonna get my merch at SLIMEPACK.store. Not .com, but .store. And you follow me on Instagram and also YouTube, same thing. SLIMEPACK_392.
And we gonna introduce the car. You see?
No cold start, but
Ain't no cold start. Oh, look at a little rumble. Shit, that sound like my cold start. Hey, louder than when my car first started. Hey, y'all, listen. That is, ain't it? Check her out, man. Listen.
you wanna go louder?
This rap is crazy, man. This is her design, her original idea.
And I had a YouTube editor that go with the flow of the tire stickers and stuff, but they watch my channel, then they'll see what happens.
Make sure y'all go to her channel. Shout out one more time.
SLIMEPACK_392.
Hit her up, let her know Pablo sent you over there, and check out her, see what happened. We all out here just grinding, man. You know what I'm saying? This is a nice machine. I bet you the kids love this a lot, don't they? The kids love
People
this.
always love to spread hate. Kids love it.
It's crazy.
I kept the lime green background because if they don't know, you know, my other charger was total. I didn't reckon somebody hit me. So I kept the lime green background, you know, dedicated to slime.
And see what makes it go even more crazy. If you look, it's little slime picks.
Dripping.
You
right
see
here,
it?
Drip.
She got something. That's what you did. Do it again. Hey, she said I threw it on. Hey, that's what's up, though. This thing is hard body, man. Hard body. I'm glad I got to finally see this thing in person. Oh, listen to the supercharger. Demonology just did a test run. Yep.
I put the window louvers on myself.
And that's another thing that's lit by her channel. She's a female that do a lot of her own work. If she can do it, she gonna get it done. You know what I'm saying? I like that about her. When you go to her channel and you check her out, you'll see that yourself, you know what I'm saying? So big pressure, big shout out to her.
Put the VO.
Your shit tinted, mine ain't tinted. I got the clear glass. I'm actually get them to take it off and actually
This is
tint
what I was
it.
gonna do. Let your child
Get from behind the trash. Oh, that's the C8. That was the C8. Yeah.
This right here, I was gonna do it right here on this pin, where you can see it on this way and this way.
Okay. She dropping gems. She
My
dropping
people don't
gems.
even know that.
Look.
Don't worry, we're gonna drop some names.
I'm gonna get some wheel nuts, but they're gonna be purple.
Gonna do purple
I
joints?
gotta kind of keep the original of the car on here. You know, this car original color is the Hellraiser.
Okay.
You see it right here.
How y'all doing?
This is the Hellraiser right
Okay. Yeah, slime. I like this though.
there. At the back.
You gonna keep those wheels?
Yeah.
Oh, they got the drip pit going.
Already is doing everything.
Okay, so these wheels can take 315 on them.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's gonna give you what, a little more meatier tire.
Yeah, I like the stance how it's a little poked out.
Hey, the video gonna drop this week, but when I drop it, I want you to go order these pieces now. I ain't gonna show them. I'm gonna aim it at them. When I say hard, and it's gonna give it that, it's gonna pop. I promise you. You can give them smoke. Them LED? Oh no, get them LED. It's because it's the whole strip. Hey, I'm gonna drop the video because mine just came in, and I'm ready to go home because I got some mod stuff I'm finna start driving. It came. Okay. Yeah, but yeah, you gonna see that big. I'm like, ooh, and then I'm a wide body too because I'm gonna keep the Daytona. I'm gonna just throw the kit on there. Vicrez? Yeah. Okay, do you like how they body kit look? Cause I heard I like Modifest joint.
In person, but I see them, online. It looks pretty good.
Yeah.
I ain't never seen them in person.
So I'm gonna be wide body soon enough, just like you. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna run it up on that thing. But I just wanted to make sure I put her on my channel, man. She been supporting me. I've been supporting her. We've been going in. We're dropping this content. We bring y'all bangers. Where they go up, bro? On top of your dome. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I wish we had somewhere to ride so I can get in and let's see this bit go. This is part, oof.
You want to get in and hit it just down this way? Come on.
Shit, let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, you unlock.
Hey, record the outside for me.
She record for y'all.
I did that.
Oh, going down there.
I'm going to record you for you.
Okay.
I'm going to let you drive.
Oh, shit. Okay. Hey, I'm finna get us down the slime pack, nigga. Yes, sir. Wow. That joint is loud. I get to drive the slime pack, baby. Hey.
Gotta at least get you at least a 15-minute
Look,
video.
15. You understand the grind.
You know what I'm saying? I'm going to do it with the pedal box off. You know how I usually do people?
Yeah.
I hold it from here. Put that air on.
I want this steering wheel so bad. So yours come with all the features on the SRT pages. It came with that, right?
Yeah.
This is a 2020, right?
21.
2021.
There's one on there.
Ooh, don't play with her.
Brand new.
Not one of them.
No mount.
Okay.
Still got the sunroof. So y'all, the pedal box will cut it off. We're just gonna go ahead and just throw it in the track. Just throw it in the track.
We can't go nowhere.
We just gonna, go down that way, give it a good pull. We about to get kicked out of GAPFEST.
It's gonna be slime.
It's gonna get kicked out of GAPFEST. They gonna say we got a track right there for that.
Big fast. Ooh.
Then when you come back, I'm gonna throw the pedal box on so you can feel it.
They ain't gonna get mad. Come on, fat boy. Slide! You're crazy.
The pedal box not even on.
Hey! I fucks with.
Throw it in park real quick. Rev the gas. So make sure you get the pedal box on. Alright. Go ahead.
We finna get in trouble, y'all. Oh, that bit is sexy. Oh no!
You feel it? You feel it?
I will not get a pedal box. Hey, they looking, so I ain't gonna play too much.
Yo.
Why is it so sensitive
That's the
though?
new pedal box. I got it on, I don't even think it's on 100. It's on 76%. Let me throw it in. Let me cut it off.
Oh my God.
I'm telling you.
Why Why is it
I be telling people barely tap the pedal and it's on go.
That close this one?
Look at everybody looking like, yeah.
Bro. Listen. Come on, Slime.
You cut it off.
Florida. Yeah. She from Carolina.
Huh? Melbourne, North Carolina? Melbourne, North Carolina? That's on it. Yeah. Nice to meet y'all.
I love that car.
Thank you.
Oh, man.
Appreciate it.
Bro, listen. Check
Huh?
this out.
What's your
Yeah.
YouTube channel?
SLIMEPACK _392.
Check this out.
That's it. All right.
Thank
I
you.
ain't never been in the car with a PEDALBOX, pedal commander, none of that good stuff on there. She turned it on. So when
That's
we
why he was.
yeah. when we went that way, it was normal. That was me. You know what I'm saying? Big head foot ass nigga. You know I'm gonna smash that. Listen, PEDALBOX, pedal commander. If you got one, but I'm kind of scared of it.
Don't get the pedal commander, get the pedal box.
So you got the one Hemi Lifestyle.
Yeah, the brand new one.
Oh
The
my
one you work
God.
off your phone.
Listen, y'all. It's so sensitive. Like, how do you even drive with it on?
I done got used to it.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You don't have to tap the gas. Your foot can slide, just graze it in the car. You ain't seen me jerking.
Watch the video, you'll see it.
Hey, that's
right there.
Yeah.
I was trying to see what was gonna happen. If I'd have floored it, I seen them over there. But if I'd have floored it, they would have burnt out the whole way, bro. That's how sensitive it is, and you get that instant hit, bro. I might be on. I ain't gonna let me flip that for slide real quick.
Give me that clip when we get in the car.
Okay. Okay. Bruh. Okay, I ain't gonna even act no cap. That bit there crazy. Slide got me one. Yeah, yeah. Nephew him. You see him? He almost lost. I don't know if it's like the scat got walked like that though.
By the Mustang?
I don't know. I want to do a ride along. Yeah, that's the thing. You better not fuck up.
That boy spraying shit. Once he got that shit right, he took the fuck off.
And he walked that boy. What they call that sauce that they be selling?
4 seconds, gap sauce.
Oh, that's what. She timed that bit perfect. they passed out bottles of gas.
That motherfucking motor's finna jump out of that motherfucker, dog.
See, you see that? My tires lift
This
up.
tire was like 325.
She looking at tires like we be looking at ass. You see that shit? Ah, damn. Hey,
He can't drive.
hey, the scat can't drive, man. Talk about. Look, hey, the scat can't drive, man. Hey, that shit don't count. No. Hey, he got that bitch in eco mode.
You know what he got in trash.
Give us a
Subscribe, bitch. They got that bitch sounding like a rocket now, your ass. That don't blow your horn. No.
Tell him to get 5 minutes scatpack driver today, Phil can drive.
Bruh, he can't drive, bro.
So where you?
He can't drive.
Tell him to meet me on the line. 5 minutes, 392. You got one. Tell him to meet me on the line.
Slime.
Hey man,
Slime.
hey, you see the car? Meet me on the line. I hear you, bitch.
Should've drove that bitch.
This shit just loud. That's it. I did that.
Damn.
They got scats running like that, bro. All right now. Ain't no 392 beat me today,
Hey! What'd he say, bruh?
Ain't no 392 beat him. But who he talking to? Boy, maybe go get that Daytona thing. Get it out.
Damn. Oh, shit.
So what he gonna do? He gonna heat the car up and then it's
Crazy that bitch trying to pop a wheelie already down the fucking court.
I thought he lost it. You ain't see that bitch go.
I seen that bitch go up too. Yeah, what?
2 wheels might not be a good thing.
Oh, he trying to blow some tires on.
First shit, he brought extras today. All that shit was full. They had like 3 parking lots full. Okay. They go back there.
He fucking up. You gotta get right. My fan, that be right. We gonna take a L.
Go slide that bitch, slime.
She told my
Hey.
Dallas is way thicker than this. Let's go early. I see the little BM.
Oh, he slide.
That's how you slide, my nigga.
Hey, who the hell was that?
And he doing the whole figure 8.
Get busy.
Hey!
Ooh. Hey, what's his name?
That's that, you gotta go right to go left type shit.
All right, Doc.
Oh, hell no. Go back to racing, bro.
Shit, that's how I would be looking when I start. Rough as hell.